Today we're going to talk about SWANN's Wi-Fi NVW-490 security system. The NVW-490 is a 4-channel security system, meaning you can connect up to 4 cameras to it. SWANN sells the NVW-490 in 4 versions. 2 cameras with a 16GB micro SD card, 4 cameras with a 32GB micro SD card, 2 cameras with a 1TB hard drive, and 4 cameras with a 1TB hard drive. On the micro SD card versions, the size of the micro SD card storage varies, as the 2 camera kit comes with a 16GB micro SD card and the 4 camera kit comes with a 32GB micro SD card. Thanks to SWANN's TrueDetect heat and motion sensing technology, we can now have these kits with a micro SD card, bringing down the overall cost of your security solution. That's because TrueDetect thermal sensing will only record motion with heat, like people, cars and animals. Since it won't record false triggers like plants moving with the wind and bugs, video storage is greatly reduced, which makes storage to a micro SD card viable, as TrueDetect records fewer but more relevant events thanks to heat detection. If you've got a kit with a micro SD card, you can replace the micro SD card with a larger one up to 128GB. Or you can add a surveillance grade hard drive for up to 4TB. The system will default to the largest storage device. So if you add a hard drive and a micro SD card, the system will ignore the micro SD card. You can always see live or recorded footage on your smartphone with the AlwaysSafe app. It's worth mentioning that the AlwaysSafe app is the same app used by SWANN's Wi-Fi pan and tilt security camera, or PTCAM. So you can always see the cameras under the same app. The cameras from the NVW-490 system and the PT cams. If you get an NVW-490 kit with 2 cameras, you still have 2 more empty spots to add cameras, since this NVR has a total of 4 channels. So you can either expand your coverage by adding more NVW-490 cam cameras, but you can also add PT cams and set them up as accessory cameras of the NVW-490. This means the recordings from the PT cam will be saved on the NVW-490 storage. Just have in mind that the PT cam is an indoor camera, as it's not weatherproof and can't be mounted outdoors. Even if you are using up the 4 channels of your NVW-490 NVR, you can still add more PT cam. But in this case, the PT cams will be working as standalone cameras and saving on their own micro SD card each. However, both your NVW-490 system and the PT cams will still be sitting under the AlwaysSafe app, so you can still conveniently see all the cameras under the same app. Now let's open the box. But remember, the version we're showing is the one with 2 cameras and a 16GB micro SD card. Mounting screws. Template. 2 NVW-490 cams. Cables, power packs. SWANN extended warranty golden ticket. NVW-490 NVR. Stickers and manual. NVR antennas. Cat cable, mouse, NVR power pack, HDMI cables, plastic off. The NVW-490 NVR is the successor of the NVW-485 NVR. The main feature updates are TrueDetect thermal sensing. This is the PIR sensor, or passive infrared, the same technology used in alarm systems. It detects heat and motion to trigger recording and push notifications, so it only records movement when there's heat, like people and cars, and it won't record irrelevant movements like plant objects with the wind and bugs. Push notifications is enabled by TrueDetect. The previous model without TrueDetect was only able to send alerts via email. With push notifications, you'll be more inclined to look at what it is, since it's something warm moving at your property. Micro SD storage. This is also related to TrueDetect, since with thermal sensing only, movements with heat are recorded and data storage is greatly optimized. Since it won't waste storage anymore with false triggers like plants moving, this brings the overall cost down, since having a large storage feature like a hard drive is no longer a must. You can also have a hard drive with this system. Color night vision. If you have an area that's always well lit, even during the night, you can turn off the black and white infrared night vision to force the image to always be in color. The camera has a built-in microphone and speaker. Two-way talk is a powerful deterrent against crime when you catch an intruder in the act. You receive a push notification and you can go to live view. Then you can talk to anyone near the camera. Okay, it is. Yeah, thanks. You can ask a delivery man to hide a package somewhere safe, or even spook out potential intruders. Just imagine all the financial and emotional impact you can prevent just with having this feature by stopping a home invasion. And in addition to two-way audio, the system also records audio, which also adds another layer of evidence to your footage, since you can hear sounds and identify voices by gender, age, accent or language. Now, let's see how it all connects. Each camera ships with a 60-foot, 18-metre power cable, and that's the only cable the camera needs. There's no cable running from each camera back to the NVR, which gives you greater flexibility of mounting locations. The NVR unit connects to power and then to the router. The connection to the router can be wired with the provided Ethernet cable or wireless. And the two antennas connect to the back. Then you just pair it with the AlwaysSafe app. Out of all the apps SWANN make right now, this is something special. Here we can play back, we can show the timeline, and we can download a segment of the video. I hope you enjoy your NVR 490 security system.